Okie dokie, welcome to my rating my old YouTube art. So this is a very early one, I believe, 2016. Well, we're making phone cases. So, honestly, one second. I don't know whether some of this music is copyrighted or it's changed licenses, but essentially I started making phone cases at some point. Now, because of modern phones, I kind of stopped doing this because there were so many different phone types and I didn't really know what people wanted. Which, yeah, essentially I could place and make my own phone case covers. I do like this one because it was quite a Victorian kind of style with all these little button badges right here. This glue that I'm using is a materials glue rather than regular PVA. And I did have two of these glue scrapers as well, so I think like the white one was for the glue and then the red one here, as you can see, was for flattening everything out so I didn't get mixed up, so I didn't get glue on the outside. This was particularly hard. I remember pulling these back so that they sat properly with the phone. Otherwise it would be too rigid. That glue got everywhere, I remember that. So then I did this this buckle on the outside of the phone, and to be honest with you, it was a little bit useless because if you have to answer a call and you've got to undo a buckle just to be able to get into your phone, it's kind of messed up. Now this is my scalpel blade that I have right here. This is just like an artist's one. So you just replace the blade at the end once you're done with it. It's actually really cool. And then I don't know whether I stuck these on or whether these were just kind of already had little sticky bits on the back. Yeah, you see what I mean? Like the buckle goes all the way around. Now, if there was a break in the buckle, you could understand. Like, if it was, let's say, what do you call it? Velcro. If it was Velcro, then I could understand, but this was, like, literally a buckle. Yeah. Probably not a design that I would ever use again. I'm gonna be honest with you. And then of course you've got that on the back as well. I don't know why I put these on the back. I think it was kind of like to elevate your phone off the table, because I had an incident with my phone where I'd spilt something next to it and it got all over my phone. So I was kind of like, I gotta make phone cases that have got little bits. See what I mean? How it sits. I had to make a phone case that had a few points at the back so that the water essentially didn't get to anything major. Rating out of 1 of 5 for that one. I'm going to say a 2. I need to stop banging my microphone as well. RIP headphone users. Yeah, please put your ratings for that project down in the comments section, and we'll see how that went, because I'd love to know your opinion on that. This was back when I was just starting out with art class and stuff like that, so very, very basic stuff. Yeah, so if you guys liked, please enjoy. If you guys enjoyed, please like, even. Yeah, I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.